All right, so let's check our work on the argument language practice. Our goal was to be able to use argument language to formulate our argument. We're successful when we have done so and have used evidence. So we had different topics here. I chose which is better, fall or spring, and I wrote a very simple topic sentence. In my topic sentence, you'll notice that I just have my claim. I'm not going to have anything else. So I say spring is the best season because the days are longer and the weather is warmer. 2 reasons as to why I believe that. Then my first set of tika is going to be my counterclaim, so why people would choose fall instead. So I start by saying some people may believe that fall is the best because of the cooler weather, so give a reason as to why. Then obviously I don't really have quotes for this, but I did my best to just kind of give some evidence. So in early fall, we get an escape from the heat of summer and start to enjoy cooler weather. Then I'm going to explain why that's important to the other person's point. This break from the heat allows us to enjoy different activities that we do than the ones we do in summer. So really simple tika here, this is counterclaim. After that, I am now going to use my 2 main points from my topic sentence to make my argument. So my first one's going to say, however, it is also true that spring is a great season because the days are longer. Then again, I don't really have a quote, but I'm going to do my best to explain. Once daylight savings happens, the sun starts setting around 7 p.m. The longer days give us a chance to enjoy the day and do more things in our days, unlike the short days of fall. So here, I'm very clearly using argument language by saying however, and then reinforcing my point by showing why this one is correct. Third tika, I guess I should say, second part of argument, I'm going to say additionally, spring brings warmer weather than fall. Then again, I don't really have a quote here, but I say in spring, the average temperature is 70 degrees, the perfect temperature to enjoy the outdoors. This allows people to enjoy the outdoors without being too hot or too cold. So this is really simple, right? This is probably like the easiest example you could do, but you can see very clearly that is how you're going to set up a body paragraph by just walking through first what are other people going to say, and then what do I have to say about this thing using my argument language sentence stems. All right, guys, happy writing.